Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and I'm going to teach you a simple logo for you, how to create a simple logo. So I'm going to the new document and I selected A4 size and landscape, no bleeds and CMYK color and create. Now, my logo name is Lapu Sapu. Client needs two color, black and red. I'm going to create this as a logo and I resize this one. Select and press the shift and resize. So for this one, align, go to the artboard and align to the artboard. Okay. If you can't see here alignments, you can go to the window and you can take artboard. Align. Shift F7. Alignment. This is the alignment. So this is my logo for my client and Lapu Sapu is the name. So I'm going to change its font, and here I need to change font and font color. So this is my pro font. No, I need Arial. And I selected font and select Arial and Arial black. Yes, I got this thickness with the font, and again go to the resize. Here also you can resize from the transform. It's 14, now it's lock, unlock, now it's lock, and now it's 14, maybe 10. Yes, and align to the your artboard and right click and create outlines. If you create outline, it will become a vector file. If not, it's editable letters. After create your outlines, it's not editable letters anymore, so ungroup. Now you can change letter by letter. See? Okay, Control Z. Okay, now go and take a line segment, and I need two color. I'm going to create like this, and I create a line. You can see the line, and I select all and go to the Pathfinder and divided. Press divided. Okay. Now letters divided by 2. In here, this one divided 2. So right click and ungroup. Now you can see they are having two groups. This one is another line, and top one is another line. So in top, I selected this. I'm going to change the color. I will change it to the red color. In here I selected both, but later we can select. Okay, this red color, and here again this one should be the black, and this part will be the red. Now I created two color logo, simple logo for my client. That's all. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel. Thank you.